trying to quit? Nicotine mouth spray haven't been studied as much for helping youth stop vaping. However, we know some people do find them helpful, particularly when used under health provider guidance for a limited period of time as part of a plan to cut down or quit. If your healthcare provider recommended the mouth spray, using it correctly makes all the difference. Here's how it's done. The first thing you will need to do is unlock the spray. Slide the black button down with your thumb until it can be pushed slightly inward. While pushing in, slide the top of the dispenser upward, then release the button to lock it open. Before your first use, you need to prime the spray. To do this, you point the nozzle away from you and other people and pets and press the top firmly. Repeat until a fine spray appears. If you haven't used it in 2 days or more, you may need to prime it again. Now you're ready to use it. Open your mouth and point the nozzle inside, getting it as close as possible without touching your lips. Try avoiding the back of your throat. It may trigger your gag reflex. Press the top to release one spray into your mouth. Avoid your lips and try not to breathe in while spraying. For best results, don't swallow for a few seconds after spraying. This gives the nicotine time to absorb in your mouth and not go down your throat. When you're done, close the spray by sliding the black button down so it can be pushed inwards. While pushing in, slide the top of the dispenser downwards and release. Use 1 to 2 sprays every 30 minutes. You should only use 2 sprays at once, 4 sprays per hour, and no more than 64 sprays in a single day. Avoid eating or drinking anything 15 minutes before and after using the spray. These can reduce the amount of nicotine that enters your bloodstream and makes the mouth spray less effective. When the mouth spray is empty, please take to your local pharmacy for safe disposal. You are taking a huge step towards taking control of your health. Quitting can be tough, but your healthcare provider has suggested the use of mouth spray to make it easier to quit and stay quit. For more details, including possible side effects, check out the pamphlet that comes with your nicotine mouth spray box.